Did DJI just tip its hand on the Air 4? Because if these filings and leaks are legit, we're looking at the most meaningful mid-tier jump since the airline debuted. In this video, I'll break down what the FCC paperwork actually confirms, what the leaks strongly suggest, and where the Air 4 could land against the Air 3S, Mini 4 Pro, and even the Mavic 3 series. And there's one curveball that could affect US availability. Stick around for that. So, what do we know from the paper trail? FCC approvals for DJI's O4 ecosystem pieces, like the O4 Air Unit Pro and a new remote, model RC520210, hint that DJI's next wave is built on stronger transmission and refreshed radio hardware. FCC filings don't list Air 4 by name, but timing plus component IDs are a classic tell that a new aircraft is coming into focus. Translation: range, link reliability, and live feed quality should get a bump over the Air 3/3S generation. Creators have been buzzing about a 1-inch type main sensor, mechanical shutter, and variable aperture. If you're thinking, wait, didn't Air 3S already move to a 1-inch? You're not wrong. The S refresh brought a notable jump. The Air 4's big upgrade over 3S then is less about sensor size and more about control. A mechanical shutter for cleaner motion on fast pans, variable aperture for flexible exposure, and firmware level color and log tweaks that push dynamic range. Pair that with leaks showing a refreshed top sensor layout, and this starts to feel like a pro-leaning Air, not just a spec polish. On paper, Air 3 already claimed up to 46 minutes in ideal conditions. The chatter puts Air 4 closer to the 50-minute mark, and every extra minute is a gift when you're choreographing reveals or hiking for that one shoot day. The bigger headline for pilots is O4/O4 plus transmission stability and range. Less flicker, cleaner 1080p feeds, and better penetration in the real-world interference you actually fly in. Combine that with a slightly thicker arm chassis and refined obstacle sensors, and you get trust the drone vibes. Fewer oh no moments, more keepers. Mini 4 Pro stays the portability king under 249 grams. Fly anywhere, freedom, but with smaller sensors and more wind drift. Air 4 trades pocket size for stability, better avoidance, and a stronger image pipeline. Versus Mavic 3. No 4/3 inch sensor here. The Mavic still wins on pure physics. But if Air 4 nails shutter, aperture, O4 Plus, and endurance at a friendlier price, it could be the budget Mavic for creators and agencies not needing cinema spec glass. One catch: US policy may put DJI on the FCC covered list by December 23, 2025, if no federal audit comes through, making availability the real bottleneck. If you own an Air 3, I'd wait. Air 4 looks like the maturity play you were hoping for. If you own an Air 3S, upgrade only if mechanical shutter, variable aperture, and stronger link stability matter to your workflow. Mini 4 Pro owners stepping up for client work? Air 4 is shaping up as the right next rung without going full Mavic. And if you're in the US, keep one eye on that December policy deadline before you smash the buy button. Now, your turn. Would you trade portability for pro-leaning control on the Air 4? Drop your take below. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the full review when the Air 4 lands.